Hi, I'm Linda Taliaferro, and I'm a regular contributor to Urban Farm Magazine. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own furniture polish. Okay, so we're going to take the lemon and we're going to squeeze all the juice out of it. Then for our second ingredient, we're going to use twice as much olive oil. We're going to stir this around, and now we're all set. This is what you do. You take a clean, dry rag, and you dip it into the olive oil and lemon, and you gently rub it onto your wood furniture, and take off any excess, and then take a rag and you buff it, and that should give it a nice, shiny, clean finish, and it has a lovely smell too.